So I'm quickly getting out of the category where I can be 40 under 40, having had a birthday 3 days ago.
Oh, all right, happy birthday.
So you've got research. I guess I represent the technology half of the equation. So we are a laser manufacturer, been in the state for 43 years. Lasers are actually about 50 years old, and that does make, by some dumb luck or coincidence, Power Technology is one of the oldest laser companies in the United States, and we just happen to be here in Arkansas. You would think we'd be in California perhaps, but it didn't work out that way. So lasers play an interesting role in the science of beauty. Some of the more medical applications might include surgical lasers or something like that, but in the context of tonight's conversation, lasers can provide a couple of solutions to problems that were discussed earlier. So lasers can be used to help with those wrinkles that you mentioned earlier. It's a primary way that they can help, one of several applications. Other than that, you can use lasers to help tighten the skin. We have different types of lasers for different uses within the beauty realm of applications. So you might have CO2 lasers or erbium lasers, if you've heard of those in the commercials on TV. We can also use lasers to help eliminate some of the skin pigmentation problems like rosacea or aging spots. Can be addressed with certain laser technologies like neodymium YAG. Is one particular laser, or the Fraxel laser, if you've heard of that. I think some of the local beauty spas advertise that word quite a bit. We can also use lasers to help with precancerous lesions. So most doctors really want you to have those things removed, and they've agreed that laser is a great alternative to have. Instead of just using a metal scalpel, you can also use the laser to ablate or to burn up any precancerous lesions. Spider veins or vascular lesions, broken blood vessels anywhere in the dermis area, if I get the terminology correct, can be addressed, and they can be vaporized or ablated in a safe way without really penetrating the what's the top layer? Epidermis. See, I should know this stuff. So my favorite application for the use of lasers when it comes to beauty is all these young folks that continue to get tattoos. They're providing job security moving forward, so you young people keep doing that. CO2 lasers and ND YAG lasers or neodymium YAG lasers can be used to actually burn up the pigments in the tattoo without breaking the skin surface. So the laser light passes through the skin, gets absorbed by the pigments in the ink, and basically disappears. It gets absorbed into the body in a safe way. So that's a pretty interesting one. And then the last two are hair removal. Some people have too much hair, if you can imagine that. Some of you can't. But for those people that do have too much hair, diode lasers or semiconductor lasers like you have in your CD-ROM can be used to address that and remove some some excess hair, And then the last one is acne and acne scars. A lot of progress in this area using infrared light has been made over the last couple of years, and those people that suffer with severe cases of acne can come in and actually get a laser treatment and improve their skin's appearance. So I'll be able to help with any technology questions. We also do analytical lasers, which may be beyond the scope of today's conversation, but if you guys have any questions about the medical device side, I can probably answer those, and look forward to your questions.
That's great. Thank you, Walter.